Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Steps. I'm Michael.
And I'm Olivia. How are you today, Michael?
I'm great, thank you. Today we have a special topic for our listeners.
Yes, today we will talk about three important words: be, been, and being.
These three words are very useful in English. Many students find them difficult.
That's true, but don't worry. We will explain them in a simple way.
Let's start with the word be. Olivia, can you explain?
Of course, be is a verb. It's the base form. We use it after to or after modal verbs.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. I want to be a teacher. Here we say to be.
Good example. Another one is you should be careful.
Exactly. After should, we use be.
Now let's talk about been. This word is different.
Yes, been is the past participle of be.
We use been with have or has.
Right. For example, I have been to Paris.
That means you visited Paris in the past.
Yes. Another example, she has been sick for 3 days.
Perfect. The sentence shows something that started in the past and continues now.
That's right, Michael. Can I share another example?
Please do.
We have been friends for 10 years.
Great. This shows the friendship started in the past and still exists.
Exactly. Now let's move to the third word, being.
Ah, yes, being. This word is special too.
Being is the present participle of be.
We use it in continuous tenses.
For example, I am being careful.
Good. Another example is they are being very quiet today.
Yes, we can also use being after prepositions.
Can you explain that, Olivia?
Sure. For example, thank you for being here.
Oh, I see. After for, we use being.
Exactly. Another example, I'm tired of being late.
Great example. After of, we also use being.
Now let's practice together. I'll say a sentence and you tell me which word to use.
Good idea. Let's help our listeners practice.
First sentence, I want to a doctor.
That's easy. We say, I want to be a doctor.
Correct. We use be after to.
My turn. She has very busy this week.
The answer is been. We say, she has been very busy this week.
Perfect. You're a great teacher, Olivia.
Thank you. Let's try another one. He is very kind today.
We use being here. He is being very kind today.
Excellent. Now let me ask our listeners a question.
What's your question?
Have you been to an English-speaking country?
That's a good question. Notice we use been here.
Yes. Have you been is very common in questions.
Let's give more examples with been.
Okay. Has it been raining?
Yes, it has been raining all day.
Another one. Have they been waiting long?
No, they haven't been waiting long.
Great. Now let's practice being more.
Good idea. Being can be tricky.
Here's an example. Being a student is not easy.
Nice. Here, being is like a noun.
Yes. Another example. Being honest is important.
I like that. Being starts the sentence.
We can also say, I enjoy being with my family.
Sweet. After enjoy, we use being.
That's right. Let's review quickly.
Yes, let's do that. First, be. We use it after to and modal verbs.
Second, been, we use it with have or has.
Third, being. We use it in continuous tenses and after some words.
Exactly. Let's do a quick quiz.
Sounds fun. I'll ask the questions.
And I'll answer them.
Question 1. I must there at 9 o'clock.
I must be there at 9 o'clock.
Correct. Question 2. Have you ever to Italy?
Have you ever been to Italy?
Perfect. Question 3. Stop so loud.
Stop being so loud.
Excellent. You got all of them right.
Thank you. These words are really important in English.
Yes, we use them every day.
Let's practice with real-life situations.
Great idea. Imagine you're at a job interview.
Okay, the interviewer asks, why do you want to be part of our team?
Good question. Notice we use be after want to.
Another question, Have you been working in this field for long?
Here we use been with have.
And you can answer, yes, I have been working here for 5 years.
Perfect answer. Let's start with some common mistakes students make.
Oh, that's very helpful. What's the first common mistake?
Many students say, I have be there, but that's wrong.
Right. The correct sentence is, I have been there.
Exactly. After have or has, we always use been, not be.
What's another common mistake?
Some students say, I want to been a doctor.
Oh, no, that's incorrect. We should say, I want to be a doctor.
Yes, after to, we always use be, not been or being.
Good point. Any other mistakes?
Yes, some people say, I am been tired. That doesn't work.
Right. We should say, I am being tired or I have been tired.
It depends on the meaning you want.
Can you explain the difference?
Of course, I have been tired means you were tired and maybe still are.
And I am being tired.
Actually, we don't usually say I am being tired. We use being with actions, not feelings.
Oh, that's interesting. Can you explain more?
Sure, we say he is being rude because rude is a behavior. He is choosing to act rude.
I see. So it's about a choice or temporary behavior.
Exactly. But we don't say I am being tall because tall is not a choice.
That makes sense. Tall is permanent, not a behavior.
Right. So we use being with words like rude, kind, silly, careful, lazy, and honest.
Because those describe how someone is acting at the moment.
Perfect understanding, Michael.
Let's give our listeners more real-life examples.
Good idea. Imagine you're at a restaurant.
Okay, the waiter says, "Thank you for being patient."
Nice. After for, we use being. Now imagine you're talking to a friend.
Your friend asks, "Where have you been?"
Very common question. We use been after have.
And you answer, "I have been at the library."
Great. Now imagine you're giving advice to someone.
You could say, "You need to be more confident."
Yes, after to, we use be. Let's try another situation.
How about at school?
Perfect. A teacher might say, you have been doing great work this semester.
That's encouraging. Have been doing shows something continuing.
And a student might say, I want to be the best in my class.
After want to, we use be.
A parent could say, stop being lazy and do your homework.
After stop, we use being.
Let's talk about one more important use.
What's that?
Being in passive sentences.
Oh, yes, that's an advanced use. Can you give an example?
Sure, the house is being painted right now.
Interesting. So, is being painted means someone is painting it now.
Exactly. Another example, the food is being prepared.
That means someone is preparing the food at this moment.
Yes, we use is being plus the past participle for present continuous passive.
That's a big grammar word, but the idea is simple.
Right, it just means something is happening now and someone is doing it.
More examples, please.
Sure, the car is being repaired. The students are being tested.
Wonderful. Now, let's do a final quiz for our listeners.
Great, this time with 5 questions.
Question 1, she wants to be a singer.
She wants to be a singer.
Question 2, they have been married for 20 years.
They have been married for 20 years.
Question 3, why are you being so mean?
Why are you being so mean?
Question 4, the road is being fixed right now.
The road is being fixed right now.
Last question, I have never been to Japan.
I have never been to Japan.
You're amazing, Olivia. 5 out of 5.
Thank you, Michael. I hope our listeners got them all right, too.
I'm sure they did. Let's review everything one final time.
Use be after to and modal verbs like can, should, must, and will.
Use been after have or has in perfect tenses.
Use being after prepositions, after words like enjoy and stop, and in passive continuous sentences.
And remember, being describes temporary behavior, not permanent things.
That's a great tip to end with.
Thank you for listening to English Steps, everyone.
Practice these words every day and you'll get better quickly.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone, and thank you for being here with us.
Bye-bye.